Nicodemou, 45, is known for playing Leah Patterson on Home and Away, being a recurring face on the hit show since 2000. The soap star shocked fans as she took to Instagram to tell her followers that she has been left bedridden and in excruciating pain after sneezing as she left the gym. Ada took to Instagram to share a short video in view of her 265,000 followers, explaining what had happened. The actress was left baffled on Thursday when a sneeze resulted in instant excruciating pain. She said, "Funny thing happened. Woke up Thursday morning, quite early, to go to the gym, and I sneezed. And then, I was in excruciating pain, couldn't walk, couldn't do anything. Had to basically lie flat on my back." The star went on to add that she can't feel her leg, and isn't sure when she will be able to return to normal daily activities, like filming the soap. She continued, "I have done something, I think I have a bulging disc, and I don't know when it's going to heal." A bulging disc refers to when the soft center of a spinal disc pushes through the exterior casing. It can cause pain in the back, buttocks and legs, as well as numbness, weakness and tingling. The Home and Away actress explained that she was spending her time in bed reading books as she recovers. She also shared a selfie on her Instagram smiling, while elaborating further on her horror gym trip. She wrote, "Didn't know a sneeze could cause so much damage. I've now been told I need to rest and take it easy till I heal. Anyone suggest some books or TV shows for me? I need suggestions so I don't go insane." Many social media users rushed to the comments to offer Ada good health, while also sharing recommendations. Tina_Nicola.1 said, "Hi Ada, I resonate completely. Just had a spinal fusion for a bulging disc I've been trying to heal since 2017. Follow Reese Witherspoon. She is always reading and recommending awesome books. Good luck and I hope you feel better soon, back pain is horrible." Helen Theodorou added, "My son has had the same problem. Lots of rest and no lifting. Get well soon. By the way, I just finished reading Verity." I Am a Me Hunter commented, "Nightmare, I cracked a couple of ribs sneezing, powerful stuff but flip me herniating a disc is even crazier from a sneeze. Take good care and don't try to rush your healing." Ada has played the character Leah Patterson on Home and Away since all the way back in 2000. It's unclear if her injury means she will be taking time off work on the popular soap opera.
From above, melted.